it's just the Shinjuku a lot about public control government.
So we're in Tokyo. This is our Airbnb. It's cool. And we were like, we need to wash our clothes. So, and I thought this place said on the Airbnb listing that it had a washing machine, but we couldn't find it. And so we were like looking for laundromats, whatever. And then I went back to the Airbnb listing because I was like, I'm just so sure. And then I saw a picture and it was like, this door was open. And so you can actually open the sliding door. And there's the washing machine. I'd have never guessed. I'd have never found it without the pictures. And now we're gonna go to the Tokyo National Museum, do that, and then probably shop for the rest of the day because we put off all of our shopping for when we were in Tokyo. There it is, Tokyo National Museum. They're playing drums or something. Carter is speed walking over. We're gonna go see. Somewhere around here it's getting louder. So we just got done with the Tokyo National Museum. Very curated. You know, we looked it up, they're supposed to have like the largest collection in all of Japan, but it didn't feel very big. It was only 2 stories, but also part of a wing was closed off, so that probably adds to it. Something interesting we learned, hopefully you can hear me over the drums by the way, but something interesting we learned was that the oil paintings that, came over in the 1800s are considered Western style to Japan, and so they're not in this museum. They have a separate museum for Western style paintings, which is more like what you'd see in like an American museum or European museum, portraits and stuff. So maybe we'll visit that too, maybe not. We saw it when we walked past and we were like, what's in the Western style museum? But now we're gonna go and get some giant fluffy pancakes. In theory, Carter's gonna navigate us. We've come across this machine that makes
cash, I'm not sure.
fresh orange juice. I bet you can use your IC card. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. Just got the orange juice.
It's very good.
It's delicious. It's so good. It was
It's like the best orange juice I've ever had.
$2. They've sold 166 million cups.
Worldwide.
Worldwide, not at this machine. That'd be crazy. We're at the pancake place. The time is 4:53. There's Carter. We're on our way to the Traveler's Factory store because I want a Traveler's Notebook. And then there's a pizza place nearby, so we might try that. But reviews say it's pretty busy, so if that doesn't work, we're going to try the Pounder at Burger King. Yes, we will. That is the backup plan. Well, Traveler's Factory was closed. They celebrate New Year's all the way to the 8th. We ran into a Chinese couple and they said they celebrate New Year's too long. And then so we popped over to the pizza place that was close by. A line was already starting to form, but it was cold, so we're over by a cute little tea shop, right nearby. So we're gonna sit here in the warm and then go over there and hopefully get a walk-in if we're lucky. Hopefully. We're back at the pizza place, done with our tea, which I didn't even film because we kind of drank it fast because we thought, oh, there's a lot of people now. Maybe there's gonna be a line. And there's a line. We're having a catastrophe.
I don't want the freaking founder, bro.
Gee, they're not taking walk-ins. So, I don't know what we're doing now. That was sad. But Carter's taking us somewhere, possibly Burger King, but he's not happy about it. The vlog is going to be absolute whiplash at this point, but we're going to Ichiran. It's still pouring. Hope there's no way that there's no spots in Ichiran. There's like 1 million seats. And if we have to wait, it won't take long. So we're going to do that. And then we're going to make some reservations tomorrow, I reckon. We're going to go to Ichiran. This is going to be the final place. I swear to God, if the next time I pick up the vlog, I'm going to say we're going to a new place. That'll be the end of my vlogging.
It's only been 2 places, by the way.
I don't know. I don't care. It feels like whiplash. I'm tired of traveling around. I'm hungry. The worst part about being on all this terrain is we're absolute morons because we had free umbrellas at our Airbnb and we knew it was going to rain too. And yet we're still out in the rain without an umbrella. It's okay because I think we're almost here. Oh, there it is. It's snowing, it's snowing. We're outside of the Ichiran, not because we're leaving, but because we're 27th in line or something. So it's gonna take an hour. Oh, Carter's feeding me a thing. Oh God, it looks good. Chocolate strawberry. Okay, what's up with that? Recommend. Carter? Pretty good. Anyway, we're waiting with like all these people. Going up. Oh my God. It goes on forever. Picked out our stuff. We made it. We're walking back. We just had our Ichiran. It was good. We waited a long time, hour and a half. But it was the best we could do tonight. Because everyone needs a stupid reservation. And we can't call people. And everything's closed for New Year's. Oh my God. But it's fine. We're nearly back at the house. It's still snowing. It's freezing cold. But we're nearly back. And then we can sit tight, figure out what we're gonna do tomorrow, I guess. Oh, laundry. We gotta do laundry big time. We got some chores to do before we go to sleep. All right, second to last day. It was snowing yesterday and it's sunny today. And we're about to go to Kitchen Town, buy some knives, buy some ceramics. It's so quiet, very still. Most of the knife stores are closed, but a lot of them actually open up tomorrow. So we looked at a few, kind of got an idea of what we want. And tomorrow we're gonna come back and hopefully look at some more stores. Right now we're gonna go to Loft, which Carter has described to me as a gift store. I'm not exactly sure what that means, but it should be cool.
Future.
Cherry blossom tree, question mark, and blooming in the winter. Everyone has stopped to take pictures, so it's gotta be significant.
Every single Japanese person.
Yeah. Anyway, we're still en route to the
camping store.
We stopped at the camping store. It looked like a Patagonia ripoff. It was right across the way from Patagonia. Oh my God, we've been here before, Carter.
Weird.
We were here the first night. This is so funny to just happen. This is the wanted posters. I didn't record us on the first night, but we walked past this little police station with the wanted posters. And now we're back. Fun. We're here at the Loft, we're here. Finally. We got lost for a second, but you have to go up. Let's see. In the elevator. Going to the 5th floor. Carter says 5th floor best, so we have to start there. Whoa. We got our Loft items. And now we're at the bottom of Loft in the little cafe. There's Carter. We're gonna have a little snack, and we're gonna do a stationery store, then maybe lunch or maybe record shops. We're in the stationery store. We just rode the elevator up to level 11, labeled farm. Here's the farm. They're growing lettuce. I'm currently outside the Atoya, the stationery store. Carter found some things inside that he's buying. And then I'll meet him out here. But that place was absolutely packed. It's 12 floors, but it's not a lot of space. Very, very narrow. We found him, Ooh, this is not, there he is. We love you, Willie. People still be in line to do their New Year's prayer.
Are we sure that's what that is?
No, we're not.
They're giving away free money.
It has to be, though.
It has to be, it actually has to be. I mean, I don't know what else they'd be doing. This means mostly Japanese people, so I don't think it's like a tourist attraction. On our way to dinner. The time is 6:36. We have a 7:15 reservation. Woo, good job, Carter. Hopefully it'll be good. I will film it, I swear. Anything else?
I think you're gonna film it.
I'm gonna film it. I'll remember, I swear. Don't even worry.
I'm not reminding you.
Well, okay. I'll try my best. No promises. First course. Got to record for the vlog. The risotto. Carter got the linguine with crab. Me and Carter got the same main dish. Little chicken cutlet action. I got more wine. Ooh. I don't really remember what this is called. I think in my head it was a chocolate tart, but this is definitely like a piece of pie or something. I don't know.
Let's check a tort.
Carter says tort. I don't know what that means. Call me uncultured. Carter got, what'd you get?
Creme brulee.
Oh yeah, creme brulee.
Sweet potato creme brulee.
Anyway, so should be good. Everything has been delicious so far, so I don't know why I would stop here. All right, update. It's night. It's dark. I'm sorry. That was really good. Carter knocked it out of the park with that reservation, our one and only. I'm very satisfied. Probably our best meal in Japan, and definitely our best meal in Japan. You think so? It is 9:07 in the a.m. Now we're gonna go to the National Western Style Museum. We'll be taking the Yamamote line. It should drop us off right there. I'm very excited for this museum. I think it's gonna be very good. Carter?
Yeah.
He's excited too. There's where we're going. Yamamote line. So many notices on all the lockers. Oh my god. Surely you could just put it on the machine, right? Going to platform 2, woo. They have these seismographs in like every room. We did it.
In like what, 25 minutes?
It was probably an hour, but it's strange. These museums are very, very curated. They don't have many pieces out. So it's very different to stuff in the States. Anyway, we did it. It was cool. Definitely worth doing. Now we're going to go get some jeans, get some denim. It's far away, but hopefully it'll be worth it. We wanted to take this express train, and we got to the station like literally 1 minute after it departed, so now we have to wait 30 minutes for the next one. Very annoying, very annoying. But we got some snacks in the meantime. Carter says pretty good. We're on the train. Alright, we're on the Limited Express. We're taking the 11:30 instead of the 11 o'clock. But we wouldn't have even made the 11 o'clock because you have to go to the kiosk and buy a ticket anyway. So, you can't just use your IC card. But we're on the train. Woo. Alright. We got off the train. Now we're walking down to the street. We're on the bus now. Weird Lincoln truck. We don't think we've ever seen that before. Right next to this Corvette. Old one. Well, I took us all the way out here for nothing. The Ironhearts did not fit. They didn't look good on me. They didn't have my size. Guess I'm a fat American. Anyway, now we're going back. Defeated. Wounded. That's all I have to say about that. Disappointed. We're on the reverse of the train we were on earlier. We're gonna go to a donut place, eat some fun artisan donuts. Carter's gonna book us a lovely dinner reservation like he did yesterday. And then tomorrow we leave, and that's it. We're waiting in the biggest, giantest line ever for donuts. See, that's the donut place. You gotta like put your order in on like the clipboards, and then you give it to them or whatever, and then you go around the corner to wait in line to pay. Well, we got donuts.
They probably thought that we were bringing it back to all of our, 12 friends? We got 12 donuts.
We got 12 donuts. For today and tomorrow morning. We might.
Oh my god.
We might be fatties. But whatevs. They're gonna be good. They smell good. Alright, now I gotta lock in to take this Fukushin line. This guy's fixing the scanner. Here's the donuts, oh my god, they're finally here. I was gonna name all of them, but I don't even know anymore. There's lots of them. Donut review time, because we forgot.
They were like
6.5 out of 10.
Yeah, they were like light at the start and then like chewy.
Yeah, they were a little chewy. The glaze was kind of interesting. The chocolate one felt like it was dipped in chocolate, not like a chocolate glaze, if that makes sense. Now we're on the way to dinner. It's gonna be Mexican food. We have a reservation. That's so exciting. That's, new for us. I want a margarita. Hopefully they can do that. I want a good dinner, just like last night. It's gonna be hard to top last night though, right?
Last time was fancy.
Last night was fancy. We're in a random building. We gotta go to the 9th floor for this restaurant. Check out the vibes. Ooh.
I bet this is so good.
We got some nachos to start. Carter got a virgin mojito, and I got a frozen marg. It's a little weak, but that's been the theme here in Japan. So, not unexpected. Beef jalapeno corn quesadillas burrito.
Don't put me in the shot. It's like not bad, but it's probably the worst burrito I've ever had.
Carter's burrito review.
It's very good.
Tell them the truth.
Oh.
My quesadillas are pretty good. The jalapenos really made them, honestly. Probably 7 out of 10. Margarita, 3 out of 10.